Actually, we did it on the discussion with WBA. So with stock trading 70 right now, expected move is now up to about 475 or so. Okay, so now we're really looking at a 65 to 75 range. Okay, let's call it. Okay, 65 to 75 in Nike. Anything there from a technical standpoint like we looked this morning? Well, 65, there is a lot of congestion in here, but I wouldn't necessarily say it's, support. But up at 75, look at that. Got the 50 and the 200-day converging there. There's definitely going to be a bunch of resistance there. Okay, that's going to cost us about 50 cents, about 15 cents more. But man, does that chart look good. So I'm going to skew it a little bit more, guys. And this will be with Nike trading 69.25 or higher. I want to get a little bit more aggressive with this, guys, because the reward to risk looks really, really good on this one.